Sarah here from RCT Parenting. Hope you are all well. So today I'm going to be talking to you about helping my baby feel loved, safe and secure. This is following on from Lisa's video last week on physical, visual and tactile stimulation to encourage baby's brain development. Hope you enjoyed watching that one too. So when a baby cries, coos, turns away, they are telling you they are either happy or uncomfortable, hungry or tired, or need more or less stimulation. When we respond to these needs in predictable ways and with regular routine, your baby learns to trust the environment. They know someone will always be there to keep them safe. There are many ways you can provide predictability in your interactions with your baby. First, when they cry, you respond and determine if there's something they need, such as a nappy change, a feed, if they are hot or cold. And then we offer comfort or stimulation by talking or singing to them. When you regularly play with your baby, make sure you look at them, call them by their name and respond to their smiles and coos with joy. Repeating songs and rhymes and reading to your baby in a happy tone lets them know that you enjoy being with them. A secure attachment bond teaches your baby to trust you, to communicate their feelings to you, and eventually to trust others as well. As your baby and you connect with one another, your baby learns how to have a healthy sense of self and how to be in a loving, empathetic relationship. Secure attachment doesn't happen overnight. It's an ongoing partnership between you and your baby. As time goes on, it will become easier to understand the cries, interpret the signals, and respond to your baby's needs for food, rest, love, and comfort. Try to stay patient with yourself and your baby as you learn about each other. Enjoy the time you spend with your baby, as in a blink of an eye they will be starting school. It's such a precious time, and the bond and attachment you have plays a vital part in helping your baby grow and develop. Attached to this video clip will be an information sheet with tips and ideas on how to help you make your baby feel loved, safe and secure. It's a fabulous sheet, so read over it and take some of the tips on board. I hope you've enjoyed the information I've provided with today. Should you require any further advice, please contact Parent and Family Support at rctcbc.gov.uk. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.